Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are discussing about identity operators. Now let's get started. Identity operators in Python are used to compare the memory locations of two objects. They help you determine whether the two variables reference the same object in the memory or not. There are two identity operators in Python, is operator and is not operator. Is operator returns true if both variables refer to the same object in the memory, whereas is not operator returns true if both variables do not refer to the same object in the memory. Now let's practice the Python code of identity operator in Jupyter Notebook. Has identity operator Let's practice the is operator first. Hash is operator. Let's create variable a and we'll assign 1 2 3 value to it. 1 2 3 and again we'll create another variable b and we'll assign here b equals to a. Again we are creating another variable c and we will assign the same value like 1 2 and 3. Now let's print. So print a, we are using is operator is b, and if we run this, a is b returns true because both a and b point to the same list in the memory. Similarly, if we print a is c, then it returns the result false. It is because a and c point to the different objects even though their contents are the same. Now let's go and see the is not operator. Hash is not operator. Let's create the variable x and we are using string here, hello, and we'll also create another variable y and we'll assign the same hello to it. Let's create another variable z and we'll write here world. Now we are going to print x is not y. Let's run this. Now the result is false. It returns false because both x and y refer to the same string object. Similarly, if we do print x is not z, then it should return the value true. Yes, it is because x and z refer to different string objects here. Okay, that's all for today. I think I have covered the basics of identity operators with explanations and with some code examples. If you really enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Python tutorials.